I know say one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.
Yo. What is up, Jamaica's giving here another reaction? Woo! There again after Massacre EP. Her name is Love with that one name, please. Yes, that one name, please. We'll just flick through them, you know. Just flick through them. You see me? So I can jump in that one and see what I go on. Let's go.
Please. Please. Girl, wine up for me. Wine up for me.
Ladies, your turn again. All right.
Please, too good. Inside of for free. What you like, wanna breathe.
Production team, big up on yourself on the whole project.
Please. Bless with the goal in that front. As me see your mic cock jump. Give your kitty some bad thump. Don't come in my room, come pop stunt. Me no pop pillar, me no that jump. Anywhere you dip.
It start off nice and calm, then it just turn into something different. It start off nice and calm and turn into something totally different, dog. Please. By Massacre. Her name is Love. EP. Lord Clot. Favorite one so far. True to the tempo. Ready again.
Please. Girl, wine up for me.
Wine.
Wine up for me.
Wine.
Please. Too good. Inside of for free. What you like, wanna breathe.
Lyrics time for the ladies, them. Ladies, listen up. Let me tell you something.
With the goal in that front.
Yeah.
As me see your mic cock jump. Give your kitty some bad thump. Don't come in my room, come pop stunt.
Oh, Buckla. Not coming and come pop no stunt, you know.
Please. Bless with the goal
In that front.
As me see your mic
Cock jump.
give your kitty some bad
Dump.
Don't come in my room, come pop stunt. Me no pop pillar, me no that junk. Anywhere you there, baby, me no stop hunt. Under your clean and no have bump. Condom gun slam dunk.
Favorite one so far. Why?
Please.
Different flow the G I give it to you know. Different flow and different style G I give it. Ladies again.
Girl, wine up for me. Wine up for me.
Wine up on a bumbo class safe like wind that girl.
Please. Too good. Inside of for free. What you like, wanna breathe.
Wine up yourself like wind that for the done.
Please.
Ready?
Bless with the goal in
Now that front.
As me see your mic
Cock jump.
give your kitty some
Cut dump.
Don't come in my room, come pop
Stunt.
Me no pop pillar, me no that junk.
No.
Anywhere you there, baby, me no stop hunt. Under your clean and no have bump. Condom gun slam dunk. Broad like the fan front. Bad man in your belly, me no damn punk.
Man said broad like the fan front. Not the last, not the little last fan them, no, the industrial fan attack.
Dunk. Broad like the fan front. Bad man in your belly, me no damn punk.
No.
Say me handsome. Fuck your one when you throw tantrum.
Yeah, man, when you show tantrum and try to create a little argument. Fuck your one. Fuck your one. Yes. Fuck your one, mama, me know.
Say me handsome. Fuck your one when you throw tantrum. Beat it like a bad drum.
Bam, bam.
You full of grip and you're not done. Cocky up and you no drop down. Please. Girl, wine up for me.
Wine up for me. Please.
Inside of for free. What you like, wanna breathe. Please. Bad girl.
Beat change, bro. The beat change.
You do it natural.
Them add something to the original.
Natural. Bad girl. You do it
Natural.
Body temperature 100 degrees. I can make you hold your breath and say please. Never had real sex till you lay down with me. I can have you seasick, still be hope to your knees. Pedicures in the sand under tie-dye blue. He said put that lingerie on it, I see through. You know.
Who is this singing? There's no credit of her anywhere. Who is this? There's no credit anywhere, bro. Who is this? Who is this?
What time it is, babe, when I see you? I leave a rough neck and I see you. I wanna hear you say,
Please, please, please,
if I whine on your waist, I'ma have you screaming.
please, please, please,
She get a verse though.
Second plate to the face, but he got me like.
please, please, please,
I know I'm performing when I hear another.
please, please, please,
Do them new tricks on me.
please, please. Girl, wind up for me.
Comment section, how this? Who is the girl? Who is the girl we are sing?
Please, 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 it's so good. Inside you for free. What you like, wanna breathe. Please, 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 please. Why not for
For
me?
me. Why not for me? Please, 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 please. Oh, Buckler, this bad. This bad. This bad. This bad. Yeah, man, this bad. No joke. I like it. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section now, please. What do you think? I like this one. I like it. Due to like the flow change at the start, the rhythm change in the middle as well. Like on the second verse, the rhythm change. Clean, nice. And big up the female we are singing it as well. I don't know your name, Mama. I was looking for your name to shout you up, but I never see it. So big up yourself. Anyway, someone in my comment section tell me how, please, cause she bad. Genocide fans, them want to die. Represent that comment section, man. All right, catch you in the next one.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, rock on earth.